Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to discuss about CPC exam and its pattern. CPC is nothing but Certified Professional Coder, and this video is presented by a leading medical coding training academy, ThoughtFlows. Coming to the facts, here we will see what is CPC exam, who will conduct this and where you can take this examination. First of all, CPC is Certified Professional Coder and it will be conducted by AAPC, American Academy of Professional Coders. This is an educational body that will conduct all the types of healthcare certification programs throughout the world. Coming to the CPC examination centers, AAPC will conduct its examinations in USA, Bahamas, Germany, India, Philippines and UAE. In India, you will be having the centers in Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Noida, Faridabad, etc. We'll see here how many questions, what is the time duration and what the books you require to write this examination. Coming for the books, we will be using three types of books here. The first one is CPT, Current Procedural Terminology, and will be published by AME, American Medical Association. And the next one is ICD, International Classification of Diseases, and this will be published by WHO, World Health Organization. And the next book is HIPEX, Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System, and this will be published by CMS, Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. This exam will have 150 multiple choice questions and the time duration for this exam is 5 hours 40 minutes. You should get 70% to clear this examination. That means 105 marks out of 150 questions to pass. And once you are booking this examination, you will get 2 attempts. For example, if you are not able to clear your examination in your first attempt, you will have one more free attempt. Coming to the syllabus of CPC exam, the 150 multiple choice questions breakdown will be as follows. The first chapter is Evolution and Management, double-line series, and it will give you 10 questions. This course should be used for the physicians who will be doing the evaluation and giving the treatment to the patients. And the next chapter is Anesthesia, Zero series, which will give you 8 marks, and this course should be used for the anesthetist who will be giving anesthesia during surgeries. And the next one is Surgery, which will be giving you 60 marks. This surgery will be subdivided into different topics like integumentary system, 10,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and this course should be used for the surgeries done on skin, hair and nails. And the next one is musculoskeletal system, 20,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and this course should be used for the surgeries done on bones, muscles and joints. And the next one is respiratory and cardiovascular system, and this is 30,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and here you will be coding for the surgeries done on lungs, heart, etc. And the next one is digestive system, 40,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and here you will be coding for the surgeries done on digestive system tract organs. And the next one is genitourinary system, which is 50,000 series and which will give you 10 questions. Here you will be coding for the surgeries done on kidney, female and male reproductive systems, etc. And the next one is nervous system, 60,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and this course should be used for the surgeries done on brain, spinal cord and nerves. So this is a biggest weightage upon CPC examination, which will give you 60 marks. And the next topic is radiology, 70,000 series, which will give you 10 questions, and here you should be coding for X-rays, CT, CTA, ultrasound, etc. And the next one is pathology and lab, which is 80,000 series, which will give you 10 marks, and this course should be used for the pathologist like lab test, blood test, urine pregnancy, like that. And the next one is medicine section, 9 series, which will give you 10 questions. Here this course should be used for injections, infusions, vaccinations, dialysis, etc. The above discussed topics all from CPT book, which will give you 108 marks. And the next one is medical terminologies, which will give you 8 marks. Here you will be getting questions from prefix, suffixes and root words. And the next one is anatomy and physiology, which will give you 8 marks, and here we will be getting the questions from the 12 systems of the body. And the next one is ICT 10 CM, which course used for diseases and injuries, which will give you 10 questions. And the next one is HIPICS. Here you will be coding for supplies, durable equipments, etc., which will give you 5 marks. And the next one is coding guidelines, which will give you 6 marks. These coding guidelines will be used for, like, you will be having certain guidelines that should be followed during coding from CPT, ICD and HIPICS. And the last topic is medical billing, that is compliance and regulatory. You will be getting 5 marks. Here you will have the questions from the types of the insurances and the physician's rules, etc. And this is the exam pattern for CPC. All the best for the candidates who are going to write the CPC examination. A certified coder will get 30% hike from their salaries. Our ThoughtFlow's Medical Coding Training Academy is following 8 best modules to clear the CPC examination in the first attempt. These 8 modules are already proven as the best modules for the CPC. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube for the further updates. The next video is on 2020 updates on CPT. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, take care, and we will meet in our next session.